Today's recipe is all about flavor, and we're going to be making garlic herb potato wedges, which are going to turn out mouth-watering, crunchy, buttery, and just worth trying. Also, I'll be showing you how to make a big batch of potato wedges without using the oven. You'll need very few ingredients to make this delicious garlic herb potato wedges. So you'll start off by chopping around 6 to 10 medium potatoes. Then wash. Next, you're going to cut into wedges. So that is what I'm going to be doing by cutting in half, into quarters, and then you're going to get your potato wedge. I always love potatoes because they turn out so delicious, especially when they're made with so much love. So I'm going to finish off cutting the rest of the potatoes into wedges, and it's going to take around 2 minutes. You can double up or even triple the recipe to make for your entire family or for your guests. Next, you're going to wash your potatoes several times until the water runs clear. This is to get rid of the excess starch in the potatoes so that the potatoes can turn out very crispy. As you can see, the water is cloudy. That's the starch I'm talking about. I've placed my potatoes in a colander so that they can drain off the excess water. And as the potatoes are resting a little bit, I'm going to place my frying pan over medium-high flame and add in enough cooking oil to fry our potato wedges. To make our potato wedges very delicious, we're going to be making some delicious roasted garlic, and I have some fresh rosemary over here, which I'm going to be frying. So I'm going to drop in 4 cloves of garlic into the cooking oil, and the garlic and rosemary is going to make the cooking oil very flavorful before frying our potato wedges. Fry your garlic for around 2 to 3 minutes or until the garlic has a very nice golden brown color. Once your garlic has a lovely color, you're going to scoop out using a skimmer. Place in your rosemary and cook for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And this is going to make the oil so flavorful. So when it's ready, you're going to scoop out and place together with the garlic. Pick my potato wedges, and using my skimmer, I'm going to transfer in carefully. I'm going to be frying in batches. You're going to the skimmer and toss the potatoes. Cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. Hold the top part of the rosemary and remove the leaves. And it's going to be very easy because the leaves are super crunchy. I still have some more fresh rosemary, which I'm going to be using. Then using a knife, I'm going to smash my garlic and finely dice your roasted garlic and rosemary. Once done, this is how it's going to be looking like. So I'll place it back in my small plate. After around 3 minutes, this is how my potato wedges are looking. So I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Scoop out the rest of the potatoes. Toss the potatoes for around 10 seconds and let the potatoes cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. The first step was to cook our potatoes. As you can see, the inside is tender but the outside is not crunchy. So I'm going to be making the rest so that we can fry the potatoes a second time to make the potatoes very crunchy. The rosemary has made the aroma in the kitchen so good. Absolutely love. So we're going to wait for around 1 minute so that the oil can get very hot, so that we can fry our potatoes the second time to make the potatoes very crunchy. When your cooking oil is very hot, you're going to place back the potatoes and fry for around 1 to 2 minutes until very crunchy. Don't overcrowd the potatoes because you need them to be very crunchy. I'm going to place another small pot of medium low flame because I'm going to be adding in a little bit of butter. I want the potato wedges to be very buttery and tasty. So this is a teaspoon of butter. Place it in the small pot. Pick my roasted garlic and rosemary. Cook for around 10 seconds until the butter is melted. Then you're going to put out the flames. Check on your potato wedges, which are crispening up on the outside. Cook my potato wedges for 20 more seconds so that they can crispen up, and the butter has added in lots of flavor. Yeah, you can catch that very nice buttery taste from the butter. Yes. Shake off the excess oil, transfer to my bowl. Immediately the potato wedges are from the cooking oil. You're going to add in some salt, your delicious garlic, rosemary and butter. Toast the potatoes. Yum. Wow. Add in a little bit of coriander. Toss and serve. These garlic herb potato wedges are a must try because they're very flavorful, crunchy and delicious. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try. I'm going to try out one because yes. The inside is very tender and flavorful since we roasted our fresh garlic and rosemary. The outside is coated with a very nice buttery taste. Let me tell you, this is the recipe for you. Yum. I can't wait to have my garlic herb potatoes because they are looking so good.